Hope Nope No affirmations for health. Yes, a lot of you have been requesting me to release a video on Hope Nope No for health. So here is a good news for you. Recently, I practiced Hope Nope No for health in my daily magic practice course, where more than 1,000 people practice with me live every day at 9 p.m. That one affirmations video on health with Hope Nope No gave people amazing results. So I'm releasing that video for you here right now on YouTube. Take advantage of it right now. But before we start the video, couple of instructions. One, make sure that you use a wired headset or a Bluetooth headset. When the video starts right now in a few seconds, keep your hands on your heart, close your eyes, and whatever I say it loudly and make sure nobody disturbs you for about 5 minutes. After the video is complete and you've experienced Hope Nope No for health, please tell me in the comment section, how did you feel? Ready? Let's go. For a few seconds, I'm going to increase the volume of the music. I just want you to relax, keep your eyes closed, keep your hands on your heart, and just breathe. And let the music work on you. Now repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for everything in my health. I take 100% responsibility for my body and anything wrong in my body right now. I am 100% responsible for my health the way it is and for all the growth I experience. I'm really sorry, dear body. As you're listening to me, I want you to imagine talking to your body, and as your hands are on your heart, use those hands to literally feel your heart, and as if you're touching it a little slightly, politely like a baby, and talk to it like a human being, and say, I'm really sorry, dear body. I'm sorry for not taking care of you. I'm sorry, dear body, for overusing you. I am sorry, dear body, for overfeeding you sometimes. Please forgive me, dear body, for not giving you the nutrition that is required to keep you healthy. Please forgive me for taking so much advantage of you. Please forgive me, dear body, for taking you for granted. Thank you, dear body, for taking care of me in spite of all my mistakes. Thank you, dear body, for giving me amazing health, magical health. Thank you, dear body, for supporting me to take care of you. Thank you, dear body, for so many chances. Now feel your heartbeat. Feel your body. And think of your body as a person and genuinely say, thank you. Thank you for everything, dear body. I love you the way you are. Whether you are short or tall, fat or slim, I love you the way you are. Whether you are weak or strong, I love you the way you are. I promise you, from now on, dear body, every time I see you in the mirror, I will smile and I will say I love you instead of criticizing you. instead of doubting you, instead of worrying about you, I will keep saying, I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take a deep breath and feel your body responding to you with that positive energy of Ho'oponopono. Imagine that every cell of your body is vibrating with white light energy. Imagine that every cell of your body is giving you health like never before. Imagine every cell of your body is full of power, full of motivation, full of energy. And imagine your body has now become exactly the way you desire it. Imagine you've achieved your ideal body weight. Feel it. How would you feel if you achieved your ideal body weight? Imagine you've got the energy of a rock star. Imagine you've got the energy to exercise, to eat healthy food every day. Imagine yourself exercising. Imagine yourself eating healthy food with love, with gratitude. And imagine sleeping tonight and every night, saying to your body again, I am sorry, dear body, for whatever I have done today to not take care of you. Please forgive me, dear body. Thank you, dear body. I love you. Feel that energy. Feel that health in your body. Slowly open your eyes. Once again, say, I'm sorry, dear body. Please forgive me, dear body. I love you, dear body. Perfect. All right. How was that experience of Ho'oponopono for health? Want to be part of this community? You want to also be part of this live Zoom sessions every day with me, Monday to Friday at 9 p.m.? If yes, there are 2 links for you in the description below this video. One link is to experience one more lesson free if you want to go through one more lesson free on DMP, Daily Magic Practice. Second link is if you're 100% sure that, no, Mitesh, I'm sure I don't want another lesson free. I'm sure I want to be part of this daily magic practice starting today night at 9 p.m. If you're sure of it, there is another link, which is the payment link for joining Daily Magic Practice course. It's as good as only 2 vada pavs every day, and you'll be part of Daily Magic Practice starting today. So take advantage, click on that link below, join DMP today, and experience this kind of magic every day with me. And hey, if you want me to create a video on Ho'oponopono for relationships, for career, for money, tell me in the comments section below. And if you want to see those videos on YouTube, quickly click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, because only then you get a notification when I release the next Ho'oponopono video for relationships or career or money. Looking forward to it. So am I. See you soon in the next video. What are you waiting for? Quickly click below this video. Click on it, register now for either the free session or directly join the paid session, and starting today, see me at 9 p.m. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.